Let's look at some of the costs associated with untrained employees. 1. Dissatisfaction. Untrained employees often feel inadequate or unsupported in their efforts. They may underperform, make mistakes, and not care about their efforts, thereby increasing the negativity levels in the workplace. 2. Low productivity. Team members without the proper skills may work more slowly and produce work that is of lesser value. 3. Inefficiency. Employees spend unnecessary extra time and money when they can't accurately complete their tasks. Often, their counterparts have to pick up the slack, which causes resentment in the workplace. 4. Increased errors. When employees make mistakes, companies lose both time invested and materials used. And 5. Lost customers. When customers experience poor customer service, faulty products, or incorrect answers to their questions due to inadequate training, they will likely take their business elsewhere. When you invest in training, you increase productivity, improve satisfaction levels, and reduce turnover. Granted, you may not see a quick return on your investment, but the long-term benefits outweigh the short-term expense. Training is an investment that you can take to the bank.